We are in the Nestlé factory in Wangen bei Olten, where we are producing rolled dough. Improving our processes using TPM methodology is part of our day-to-day work.
By introducing in 2019 tablets and applications for our cleaning inspection plans, Inspect AR, the augmented reality, is a further evolvement in this process. It will enable our maintenance mechanics to gain more time for preventive maintenance and also our production employees for job enrichment. So we see a lot of benefits.
I see Inspect IR as a valuable solution for the training of new operators. With the HoloLens, the user has his hands free and gets the best possible guidance. Training can become much more effective and more self-guided.
Ich bin Mirdona. Ich mache hier seit 3 Jahren Lehre als Anlageführerin. Ich habe mal das HoloLens probiert. Das finde ich sehr hilfreich.
The advantage of the cooperation with Inspect AR is that we can really use it on mobile devices, as we consider this as a kind of bridge or intermediate technology to evolve further to get to the HoloLens technology.